Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I have been gone for 3 months. Horrible, but as you can tell, I finally moved houses. If you watched my last video, which you should, I mentioned that I've been trying to move for a while now, and I finally did it. I've been struggling with making this video. I really have. It's taking so long. I've done 3 kinds of videos. I've done an apartment tour, I've done putting my living room together, I've done apartment update, and for some reason I just wasn't feeling them at the end of those videos. I just didn't seem like something I wanted to put out, so I just didn't post them. So this is my fourth try of doing an apartment related video, and here I am. Today I'm gonna tackle my bedroom. I'm gonna put together a vanity space or a vanity corner just for my makeup and stuff, and just a desk to get ready, a desk to just play around on my laptop, just a desk to relax, if you get what I mean. I just had this space in my bedroom that just didn't have anything, and I wanted to do something cool with it. And I also didn't want to spend a lot of money, so it's kind of budget friendly. It's kind of budget friendly because I didn't spend a lot of money on it. I got it on Let Go, as always. So the desk that I got is an Ikea desk. It's the Mickey desk, I think. I think it goes for $60 at Ikea, but I got it put together already. It has like normal wear, but it's pretty decent. Like, it looks okay if you ask me. So yeah, I bought that for $30, and then I had a chair already. I do want another chair, but that can wait. I could buy that later. I already had a chair from Nordstrom rack that I had from before, and I have a round mirror that I'm gonna put on top of the desk. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna go into the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do and you'd like to see a lot more of these kind of videos, let me know down below. I still have my kitchen to work on. I still have my living room to work on. I still have some ideas that I want to incorporate in there. I still have my bathroom to work on. My bathroom is very plain. I still have to organize my closets because I want to come up with like some type of organizing thing going on, because my clothes are all over the place, my bed sheets are all over the place, and I just need to put it all together. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rumbling and I'm gonna go straight into the video. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. If you like to see more apartment related videos, let me know down below and I shall get to it. But thank you guys for supporting me. Everyone who's still here, I appreciate you guys so much, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye. I just really had the craziest 10 minutes of my life. That was so hard to drill in the wall, but I did it. So now we're gonna put the mirror in, and hopefully we don't have any more trouble. So let's just go. So I just put that in. I'm terrified because if it falls, I'm actually pretty screwed. So let's just hope it doesn't fall off. But it's on the wall now, so let's just see if I can put the rest of the stuff in. So the mirror is currently on the wall already. So I'm like so terrified though, because I'm like, if it falls, I'm gonna cry. But hopefully it doesn't fall. Jesus Lord, please, I work so hard. Yes, so let's go into the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna put the desk I got in. I'm gonna just get some cleaning wipes, and it's like not in the best shape. They think they used candles on top of it, so it has like candle wax and stuff all over the place, but that's fixable, not a big deal. So I'm gonna just get into that. So this is how the plant looks like. What do you guys think? Is it too big for that corner? If it's too big, I think I might get a hanging plant because the corner is not big enough for like a plant. So it's just like, I'm working with it. But this is gonna go here. So yeah, this is how it looks like right now. I'm like actually so in love with it. It actually looks very nice. But yeah. I'm gonna put everything on the desk and then I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks so far. I really like how it looks right now. It looks so much better. I think I'm gonna put like a piece of wall art. I think I'm gonna put like a piece of art like right here, like the microns. I think that's what they call them. I'm gonna put that and hopefully it will come together. I do want a different chair for this space. I don't want this plastic one. There's a velvet one that I saw on Amazon that I really want, but I'll probably get that later. But so far I like how simple it looks. It just looks. And this mirror, you guys, this mirror, I've wanted it for so long and so happy I got it and I'm so happy with it. So yeah, I'm gonna charge my my camera and then I'm gonna show you guys after I put everything on the table, and let's just see how it comes out. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I'm gonna show you how everything looks after I put everything on the desk, and I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz, and I will see you guys in my next renovation, my next apartment update and whatnot. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.